I tried to run, tried to hide, wore my pain like a crown of pride. Even in the silence and shame, you called me gently by my name. Broken dreams and empty nights, you still held on through every fight. Grace found me in my despair. Now I know you were always there. You lit a fire in my soul. When I was drowning, you took control. I'm safe in your arms, I'm never alone. Even when I fall, you lead me home. Your love's unshaken, forever true. Jesus, I belong to you. Yes, I'm saved.